Welcome to our tutorial on how to turn off comments notifications in YouTube on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to disable the notifications for comments on your channel. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the YouTube website on your PC by launching it from your browser or desktop shortcut. Step 2. Look for the Settings option, usually located in the top right corner of the YouTube interface. Click on it. Step 3. Within the Settings menu, find and click on the Notifications option. Step 4. In the Notifications section, you will see the option to manage your activity on the channel. To turn off comments notifications, simply toggle off the Activity on My Channel option. By following these simple steps, you can easily stop receiving notifications for comments on your YouTube channel. This can help you stay focused and avoid unnecessary distractions while managing your content. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more useful tutorials. Enjoy a more streamlined YouTube experience.